fun with that one. I do anyway. Shooting Mr. Pradutsta. Yes. Look on the bed. There's more. Yes. These are called Nerf Strike Mega Hotshots. Now, the reason we have two is we found them in Aldi. I think they were £7 each. So we had to get two. Yes. They're only one-shot wonders though, these are. They are. You do get 2 bullets with them though. And then you pop 1 bullet in the hole. And you have a storage for your second bullet up there. So Hotshock. Shock the competition. Dart storage on the top. Yes. Sorry, I've got an itchy eye then. Sorry. Yeah. It says all these numbers on, but then it doesn't tell you what the numbers are. Number 1 is where this thing is. Ah, that's where you pull to load it. Where you put your dart trigger, and then that is your dart storage at the top. Yes. So basically, hole, put the dart in, storage, pull it, shoot it. Yay! Mr. Benusi keeps pointing to the bed, so I think he wants me to sit on the bed this time. He does. But while I'm walking around this way, I'll get my glasses and my scissors. Yay! Why not? So I've got some, I have to pull my top down a minute. I've got some lovely knockoff Chinese ones as well. So we're going to undo the bullets, the guns even. It says they're for 8+. So I'm presuming I just reached that, I think. Mentally, maybe not. But physically, yes. So there we go. That's quite nifty. I feel like Lara Croft Tomb Raider. So you pull it back. And you shoot. Pull it back. Shoot. There you go. Is that the shot you was wanting, Mr. Producer? I don't know why they make it so hard though to get the bullets out. It's easier to get the gun out than what it is to get the bullets out. Is that so they don't go missing in the shops, you think? Yeah? You never know. They don't want to give a 5-finger discount. Right, that one should be there. So these are the official Nerf bullets. These ones are. How are these? They're thicker than the Chinese ones are as well. So you put your storage one in there, and you put that one in there. No, I haven't done, don't you? Naughty. I can load it. Are you ready? You've got to pass me the bullet back so I can load it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. Oh! Thank you. You passed me the bullet back. Right, I'm going to shoot in that one. Yes, I'm going to undo the next one now. Now, on the big one, on the twin shock one, it was like plastic ties that held it together. On this one, they're more stringified. So again, bullet, pull it back, fire! Yes. Right, let's see if these are easier to get out, shall we? You would think they would be because I've just done this already, but they're not. Rubbish over there. But if you've done it right, it just lifts off, look, the back. Notice that with the first one. So again, we have our bullet storage, bullet in, glasses down, assume the position. You ready? Now. I bet you get that. Go get it. Quick, 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 load, 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 load. Give me the bullet. I'll shoot you. Right, so there we go. The bullets are in. I'm lock and loaded like Lara Croft. Just feel like you could put it in holsters or something. That I'm beside you, these ones do. So the Mega Hotshots. Did you know, we went to a garden centre the other day, me and the monkeys, right, with Grandma Monkey. Did you know that Nerf do dog toys? Did you know that? They do cannons for Nerf tennis balls. It looks freaking awesome. It's huge. It's about that wide, the mouth of it, and you lock it and you fire it and it shoots out tennis balls for the dogs to chase after. It was awesome. How sad am I that I'm getting excited about this? But we couldn't believe it. You know, after having all these Nerf guns and everything and the arsenal that we've got of Nerf guns, to then find that you could get a Nerf gun for a dog, it was awesome. And if they did one for a cat, but instead of tennis balls it'd be mice. Dead mice. Not dead mice, but plastic mice. What do you think? That'd be quite cool. The cat would probably then look at you and go, fetch. I ain't fetching it. You fetch it, you shot it. Whereas the dog would be like, oh, let's go get it, let's go get it. Cat would be like, yeah, never mind. Yeah. But we just thought it was awesome. Here's my scissors. So I've got my Chinese knockoffs, the psychedelics. Look at the difference in the colour. Take that one out a minute. So they're the same height, the thicker, the red is thicker, and the tips of the Chinese ones are bright orange. So that is how you tell the difference. But the difference also is you get 800 for £11 to 6 for £10. So there's the difference. Yes, me and my guns and my leggings are going in my hallway to shoot things. Yes, we are. Should I let you come out before I sit down? I'm going to sit down this time and not lay down. Okay. I'm going to try to anyway. Might be easy with these ones anyway. So I'm starting off with the normal Nerf bullets. So pull the trigger back. Are you ready? Oh, I missed! Try again. So you get 2 shots per gun. That's not even funny. We'll try the Chinese one now. That is some power. Oh my lord. Oh, I missed the Coca-Cola. Alright, that's that one done. I'm not very Lara Croft Tomb Raider, am I? Can't even hit a Coca-Cola bottle. There's not even any window. Huh? 2 guns at the same time. Let me just try these 2 in this first, and then we'll go for 2 guns. I like the Chinese ones better. The bullets, they seem to hit the target. The normal Nerf ones don't seem to hit the target. Well, she said. So right, I've got 2 bullets left on my Chinese ones. And so we go. Let's do a Lara Croft one, shall we? Are we ready? They both missed. So right, there we go. That is my double hot shot. Yes. Very good. Very nifty little guns they are. They're good to pull out the backpack or something at a second's notice in a Nerf battle. Always in a Nerf battle. Yes. Like the video for me, subscribe to me, and follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Adelesexyuk. Enjoy nerfing!